Rave app your computer's performance. Simple hacks you need to know. Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to talk about something that affects all of us. If you're like most people, you have probably experienced the frustration of waiting your computer load program and a website. Don't worry, we have got you covered, and in this video we're going to show you some simple and effective tips and tricks to speed up your computer and get it run smoother. So if you're ready to say goodbye to slow load times and hello to faster, more efficient computer, then keep watching this video till the end, and I guarantee that it will bring some changes in your computer. Number 1. Restart your PC. By restarting your PC, most of the time, most of the problem will be solved. Number 2. Run update. If your Windows is not updated yet, you should update it as fast as you can, and you will see the difference in your computer. Number 3. Remove unnecessary programs. If you have some unnecessary programs that you're not using them, so please remove them from your computer, and it will free up space and bring big difference in your computer. Number 4. First, open up the setting of your computer, or maybe press Winky I, and now from this part you should click on storage, and in this part you will see this storage sense there, and you should turn it on. If you turn this one on, it will automatically delete all the junk files from your computer. And down here, click on Clean Up Recommendations, and in this part, just check those things that you don't need in your computer, except downloads, because it will delete all the things that you've downloaded in your computer, and whatever is not necessary there, you can just check them and clean. So I'm gonna here click on Clean App. Click and continue. It will delete all unnecessary things that I don't need it in my computer. Number 5. Adjust privacy and security. From the setting, down here click on privacy and security. Now in this part click on general. And in this part uncheck all of these things. Disable them. And the other thing from privacy and security is that you should click on speech. And now disable this one if you're not going to use from speech recognition online. And the other thing that you should do in privacy and security is to click on linking and type personalization. And in this part you should just disable this one also. It is personal linking and type dictionary. Other thing that you should do in privacy and security is that you should click on diagnostic and feedbacks. In this part also you should disable this one, and it will bring some changes in your computer. Number 6. From privacy and security, go to app permission, and now click on location. And in this part, you can just disable this one, and all unnecessary programs will be disabled also. The other thing on privacy and security is to, in part of app permission, click on camera, and now in this part you can just disable this one. It will disable all the things you may not need them in your computer. And other thing that you should do in app permission part is to click on notifications, and in this part also you should disable this one. And the other thing that should be done in part of app permissions is to click on messaging. In this part you should also disable this one, and it will disable all the things. There would be no message from your computer. Number 7. Click on system, and now in this part click on notification. And in this part, if you turn this one off, if you disable this one, there would be no notification out of each program that you have in your computer. Number 8. Click on apps. And in this part, click on Startup App. And in this part, you should just sort them by startup impact. You see that these are the programs that is using a lot of my CPU when it's restarting, or maybe it is starting my Windows. So you can just disable all of them, and your computer will have a smoother work there. Number 9. Number 9 is that you should just go to sysdm.cpl. So press Winky plus R, and in this part type here sysdm.cpl and hit enter. This is system properties, and in this part you should click on advanced, and in here click on setting, and in this part you should choose adjust best performance in your computer. So click on apply and click on OK. Number 10. Go to the setting, go to gaming, press Winky plus I, and in this part click on gaming. In this part you should click on Xbox game bar, and now disable this one. Number 11, go to services in your computer. And in services, you should just disable some of the things that is not necessary in your computer. And in services, first you have to find download Maps Manager. Scroll down till you find download Maps Manager. In this part, right click, come in part of properties, and in this part disable, click on apply and then click on OK. The other thing is to find fax. Here is the fax, right click, properties, and now in this part disable this one, click on apply and then click on OK. The next one is IP helper. Find IP helpers in your computer, IP helper, and now right click, come in part of properties, and in this part disable, click on apply and then click on OK. The other thing is print spooler. Find a print spooler in your computer. Also in this part disable this one, click on apply and then OK. The other thing to find is find Windows image acquisition. Windows image acquisition, and in this part click on properties. Now disable this one, again click apply, again OK. And the other thing is that you should find geolocation. We're going to find geolocation in this part. Geolocation service, click on properties, and now in here disable, click on apply and then click on OK. And the last one, delete the temporary files in your computer. Press key plus R and then in here type temp, click on enter, and in this part select them all and press Ctrl Shift Delete, click on yes. And now check this one to skip some of the things that is not going to be deleted in your computer because they're in progress in the backup. Again press key plus R and then in here type %temp%. Select all, press Shift Delete and click on yes. And in this part check this one, click on escape. And this is it guys. I hope that you get something out of this video, and it was how to speed up your Windows 11. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me for more. Till the next one, good luck.